What's up, XRP holders? In today's video, I want to prepare you guys for my absolute worst case scenario. I'm not saying that this has to happen. I'm not saying that this has to play out. I just want to prepare you guys mentally for just in case there is another drop here in the short term for the crypto market, for XRP, before eventually that massive recovery. Let's get straight into the content. Of course, don't forget to like the video. I appreciate all of you guys watching, and let's get straight into it. Okay guys, what you're looking at right here is XRP on the monthly time frame, and we still have this upward support line basically going back to 2017, one touch point, two touch points here, 2024, and also recently 2026, a touch point on this specific trend line. And that is also something that you probably already know here, because I've been talking about this for a while on the channel. But what is even more important to focus on here is are actually the EMA ribbons on the monthly time frame for XRP, which I've actually enabled. Now, what you can see is that XRP is currently still holding above the EMA ribbons on the monthly time frame, and as long as this is the case, and as long as we're holding this important support line which goes back to 2017, I'm still very bullish. I'm still in favor of a lot more upside. But let me actually show you my possible worst case scenario here for XRP. Once again, guys, I'm not predicting this to happen, but this is just in case we do see another drop here in the short term. Let's say in the next days, in the next weeks, then this would be my worst case, and that would be a swift break below the EMA ribbons and then a swift recovery back to the upside, because that happened here at the bear market low of 2022. XRP broke below the EMA ribbons very swiftly, and eventually we had a recovery back to the upside. So that was basically the best price, the best entry to get into XRP, and that was also the lowest point of the bear market. It also happened in 2020. XRP broke below the EMA ribbons here, not with a monthly close, but we wicked below the ribbons. That was the best price to get into XRP, and that was also the low of the bear market, and we had a swift recovery back to the upside. So if that was about to happen here for XRP, I think price could hit maybe 65, 70 cents or so, but that would be it. And from that point onwards, I do expect a swift recovery back to the upside for XRP. So yeah, that is my absolute worst case scenario. Once again, I'm not predicting this to happen, but this is just to prepare you guys mentally for just in case there is one more drop here in the short term before eventually a swift recovery back up. But to keep it very simple, if you zoom out, we can still see that XRP is holding this very crucial trend line, and then we're also currently still trading above the monthly EMA ribbons. And guys, if you're looking for a reliable, trustworthy exchange to use, I'm personally trading over on Phemex. If you want to trade over on Phemex as well, the link is down below. They're currently offering massive deposit bonuses up to 30,000 USDT. Very easy to claim. You just need to follow the deposit requirements. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. Also, if you want to stay up to date with the latest things that I'm posting every single day, then follow me over in my free Telegram. It's the first link down below. And if you're looking for a reliable, trustworthy exchange to use, I'm using Phemex. That link is also down below. Check it out. For now, guys, I want to thank you all for watching, for the support, of course. See you very soon with another XRP update. Bye-bye.